So you just want to start a YouTube channel, right? But your key light is kicking some nasty glare on your background. Like that. And it's making you nuts. Okay, well in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix reflections and glare on your background that come from your lighting setup. And hey, stick around for the end of the video because I'm going to share my absolute favorite video light with you. That's what's coming up. Hey, what's up you heart-centered creative type people? I'm Scott Markowitz, author of The On-Camera Cure, and I'm here to help self-starters like you to break out of your shell, become more creative, and edit yourself. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and click the subscribe and then click on the bell so you don't miss any of the fun. But hey, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that nasty glare on your background that's coming from your lighting setup, but it's driving you nuts. Now, this is actually something that is going to surprise you perhaps at how easy it is to fix. All you need is gaffer tape. Gaffer tape is the miracle substance that is found on every professional video production. It's like duct tape, but it's not quite as sticky. Duct tape has a more permanent adhesive on it. This stuff, it's got a fabric backing, and the stickum is very strong, and it will adhere stuff. You can use this to actually like tape a camera to a wall if you had to, or tape a light to a wall if you had to. I've seen people use this to tape lights, microphones, all kinds of stuff to ceilings, to walls. It's also very useful to put on the floor to cover up cables so people don't trip. But this stuff will not leave any damaging residue when you peel it off. And believe me, this stuff will only come off when you want it to come off. Oh, another thing this is great for is to stick microphones, like lavalier microphones, onto people's clothing. But today I'm going to use this to flag off my light. Okay, so we're just going to take some of this tape. We're going to rip it off. Isn't another great thing about gaffer tape? You can easily rip it off with your fingers. All right, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to start building up a flag on my light. You'll see on the other camera here. I'm going to just start flagging it off. And then we're just going to keep building up this flag until that glare goes away. This is an 18-inch ring light that I've attached to a regular standard light stand, and that is just sitting right alongside my tripod. So there's my camera. I'm using a Parrot teleprompter to help me with my intros and my outros. I'm using this small HD, that's I believe that's their 4-inch model. I'm using that to monitor what my camera is seeing, so I can just be sure that my framing is okay. And yeah, this entire thing is lit up by that one light. And you can see how drastically I had to flag it in order for me to get the reflection off of my set in the back. All right, the glare is gone, guys. That is pretty cool. So listen, fixing stuff on your set should just be the simplest path between you and your solution. Try not to overthink things. If there's something bothering you with the way that your background looks, then try to do the least amount of work possible in order to get it to look good. Okay? So sometimes that just means covering something up. For example, I've got like some cloth here. I got black cloth back here to cover up some cables. You know, so as opposed to trying to rearrange the position of my wireless router on my desk, I just covered up the cables with some black cloth. You see, simple is the way to go. Video production should not be, you shouldn't think about video production like you would like normal construction, you know? There's a vast difference. When you're doing normal construction, you're building something to last. You're building something to resist the elements. But for video production, it just needs to look good. So make it as simple as you can. In my case, I just use some tape. I mean, it's crazy. Now, I'd like to ask you the question of the day. What is the hardest thing about making content for your blog right now or for your YouTube channel? Leave a comment below or ask a question about today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to check out more videos like this one. And if you want to learn how to be comfortable on camera or how to be able to speak in front of an audience, just click or tap right over here. And for another video from the Video Crush Academy, just click the screen right there. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see the things that you create, so keep on crushing it. I'll see you next time.